Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into freelancing in 2025, even if you're starting with zero experience. We'll cover everything from identifying your skills to finding clients and setting yourself up for success. Before you build a website or send out proposals, figure out what you're going to offer. What skills do you have? More importantly, what do you enjoy doing? Freelancing is about freedom and flexibility, but that only works if you're passionate about the work. Grab a pen and paper, and let's brainstorm. What are you naturally good at? What do people always ask for your help with? Maybe you're a writing whiz or a design guru. The more niche you go, the less competition you'll face, and the more valuable your skills become. Think about specializing in SEO content writing for tech startups, or crafting social media posts for sustainable fashion brands. Once you've got a solid grasp on your skills and interests, think about your ideal client and the kind of projects you're excited about. You've identified your skills and niche, but you don't have any client experience. Don't sweat it. Your portfolio is your chance to show potential clients what you're capable of. Create your own projects. Design logos for fictional companies or write blog posts for imaginary brands. Treat these mock projects like real client work. This gives you pieces to showcase and allows you to experiment with different styles. Another way to build your portfolio is to offer your services for free or at a discounted rate to friends, family, or local businesses. This allows you to gain experience, build relationships, and get testimonials and referrals. Be selective about the projects you take on and be clear about the scope of work. You don't want to be taken advantage of or work on projects that don't align with your goals. Building a strong portfolio takes time and effort, but it's an investment that will pay off. Remember, it's all about showcasing your skills and potential. You've honed your skills and built a portfolio. Now, where do you find clients? Let's dive into the best platforms to find freelance work. First up, the giants Upwork and Fiverr. Upwork attracts larger businesses and higher-paying projects. Fiverr is about offering services in a package format. Don't be afraid to explore niche-specific options. Writers can check out ProBlogger, Jobboard, and Cantina. Designers can showcase work on Dribbble and Behance. Social media platforms like LinkedIn, Twitter, and Instagram can be goldmines for finding freelance work. Another avenue is reaching out to businesses directly. Cold pitching can be intimidating but effective if you target the right businesses and craft a compelling pitch. Finding freelance work is about putting yourself out there, being persistent, and refining your approach. Experiment with different platforms and strategies to find what works best for you. Let's talk money. Setting your rates is a delicate balance between valuing your worth and staying competitive. Ditch the hourly rate mindset, at least in the beginning. Your value isn't solely determined by hours, but by the results you deliver. Focus on value-based pricing. Determine the worth of your services based on the value they bring to clients. For example, if you're a copywriter specializing in website copy that converts, charge a project fee based on the estimated increase in conversions. Research what other freelancers in your niche are charging. Browse freelance platforms, check out industry blogs, and reach out to other freelancers for insights. Your rates should reflect your skills, experience, and the value you bring. As you gain more experience and build a strong portfolio, raise your rates accordingly. Always factor in your expenses when setting your rates. This includes taxes, software subscriptions, and your internet bill. Freelancing is about running a profitable business. Be confident in your rates and communicate the value you provide. Remember, it's not just about earning money, it's about building a sustainable and profitable freelance career. Set your rates with confidence and watch your freelance business thrive. Networking is the secret sauce that can make or break your freelance career. It's about building genuine relationships with people in your industry and beyond. Connect with potential clients, collaborators, and mentors who can help you grow your business. Be active online. Join Facebook groups, participate in Twitter chats, and engage on LinkedIn. Share your expertise, offer valuable insights, and start conversations. Attend industry events, conferences, and workshops. These are great opportunities to meet people face-to-face and make valuable connections. Networking isn't just about finding clients, it's also about building a support system. Connect with other freelancers, share experiences, and learn from each other. Freelancing can be a lonely journey, but it doesn't have to be. Building strong relationships takes time and effort, but it's an investment that will pay off. network like a boss, and watch your freelance business thrive. One of the biggest perks of freelancing is the freedom and flexibility it offers. But that freedom can turn into chaos without a solid system for managing your time. Create a schedule that works for you. This doesn't mean sticking to a rigid 9-to-5 schedule. Design a workday that aligns with your natural rhythms and peak productivity times. Create a schedule that maximizes your productivity and allows you to show up as your best self for your clients. Stick to your schedule by setting boundaries, learning to say no, and avoiding procrastination. Break down large projects into smaller, manageable tasks. This makes the work seem less daunting and gives you a sense of accomplishment. Time management is a skill that takes practice and refinement. Experiment with different techniques and tools until you find a system that works for you. The online world is constantly evolving, and you need to be committed to continuous improvement and upskilling. Your skills are your most valuable assets, and they need to be nurtured and upgraded over time. Embrace a growth mindset. Be open to learning new things, seeking out challenges, and viewing failures as opportunities for growth. There are endless resources available to help you upskill. Online learning platforms like Coursera, Udemy, and Skillshare offer a vast library of courses. Attend industry webinars, listen to podcasts, read books and articles, and follow thought leaders in your niche. Stay curious, ask questions, and never stop seeking out new information. Consider niching down further and becoming an expert in a specific area within your field. This will make you more valuable to clients and allow you to charge premium rates. Commit to continuous improvement and watch your freelance career soar. And there you have it, your roadmap to launching a successful freelance career in 2025, even with zero experience. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more tips on freelancing and career growth.